Function key for brightness not working on Windows 11 or 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So if your laptop has FN key, press the brightness key with and without pressing FN key. So this is because more than one task is assigned to some function key. So another thing you can do is, if you have another keyboard, go ahead and use it and see if it helps. So this will help you identify if it's a hardware issue. Another thing you can do is run keyboard troubleshooter. So go to your search icon and search troubleshooter. Go ahead and click on open, click on keyboard, and then click on run the troubleshooter. So another thing you can do is enable or reinstall monitor driver. So go over to your search icon and type device manager and then click on open. So come down to your monitor here and then right click on it. So if it's disabled, you'll see enable device right here. Go ahead and click on enable device. So if it's already enabled, go ahead and click on uninstall device and then restart your PC, and then this driver will automatically be installed. If this doesn't work, go to your keyboards, right click on your keyboard driver, and then click on uninstall device, and then restart your PC, and it will automatically install. If this also doesn't work, go to your display adapters, right click on your adapter, and if it's disabled, go ahead and click on enable device, and if it is already enabled, go ahead and click on uninstall device, and then restart your PC, and it will automatically be reinstalled. So this is how to fix function key for brightness not working on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.